The consequences of a felony DUI conviction are severe, with potential long-term implications for your freedom and your future. DUI and DWAI are normally misdemeanors in Colorado, but under some certain circumstances, they can become a felony. If you or someone you know is facing a felony DUI, here's what you need to know. So the potential penalties for a felony DUI can be quite severe. You're facing a minimum mandatory of 120 days of jail, a potential fine of up to $500,000, and up to a potential of 6 years in prison for a felony DUI in Colorado. This is on top of all of the general penalties, which are community service, alcohol treatment, a victim impact panel, and an extended probation sentence. They can be quite severe. One thing to keep in mind is that a fourth DUI is automatically a felony regardless of the circumstances surrounding that DUI. In 2015, the legislature passed a law that made fourth or more DUIs felonies, and this can include any DUIs from your past. So for instance, let's say you have 3 from the 1970s. If you get one now, it's still a felony. So when taking into account past convictions, Colorado makes no distinction between DUIs and DWAIs when you're looking at that felony upgrade. So there can be any combination of DUI or DWAI, both with the past and other states. So it could be a DUI conviction from Montana back in the 1980s. Colorado can still consider that and will still consider that when looking at a felony DUI upgrade. In instances where somebody gets seriously injured or killed in a DUI accident, Colorado makes no distinction on whether or not it's your first or your 10th DUI. That can be a felony DUI right then and there. In those instances, that felony DUI would be classified as either a vehicular homicide or a vehicular assault. Vehicular assault is a Class 4 felony, and vehicular homicide, when handling a DUI, is actually a Class 3 felony in Colorado, punishable with up to 12 years in prison. It can be possible to avoid a prison sentence for a felony DUI if you have an aggressive, experienced, and good criminal defense attorney working on your behalf like our team has. Facing a felony DUI charge is a serious matter, and you'll want to take all the steps you can to protect your future. Talking with an experienced criminal defense attorney is the first and most important step towards addressing the charges you're facing. Let our team help you through the legal process. Reach out to us for a case assessment today.